How to create a poll on Facebook. Now, this is quite of a question recently that's been up because Facebook somehow, for some reason, has stopped allowing access for everybody to create polls on Facebook. You can't exactly do that anymore on your personal Facebook page, but unless until you run a professional page, you can do that. However, it's also been limiting that to the professional page. Now, to create a poll, you have to either do it on a professional business page on Facebook, or you have to do it on a group. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and head over to the group you want to create a poll onto. You're going to head over to writing something. Now, once you're writing something and creating a post, you're going to click on poll option. So from here, you can create a poll by typing in the poll options, writing the poll question, and you can also select the settings for it, which are either to allow members to add options or allow the members to choose multiple options as well. So this is how you can create a poll on Facebook, pretty easy and pretty quick. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps.